What is up, guys? And today, wait just a second. I'll be right back. I have adult supervision, and they have red tips, well, orange tips or whatever you want to call them. First, we're going to be reviewing the pistol. So what I would point out is the magazine. There is a very small compartment, and you can put the little plastic balls in here. See, it's focusing on something. I don't know why. So we're gonna put that right there. My dog chewed up one of my Nerf gun balls. Susie, get out of my room. Oh my goodness, that little dog is triggering me. Triggering me. Get it? And then this is the shoot of it. There's nothing in it, don't worry. Not very loud. So let's put that to the side. And it is a blowback. And this one, guess how you cock it? Here, I really need more space for this stuff. Okay, I just wanted to see my face was in the video. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put it far away. I know my room is kind of a mess right now, but I'm gonna put it far away so you guys can see the whole. It's huge. Not to the camera, but let me move a bit closer with my foot because I can't show my face on this channel. So, boom, boom, boom. And I'm gonna cock this back. You wanna listen to this? Listen to the shot of it. I don't think there's anything in it. That was loud. So guys, this is a very short video. I'm gonna post one more right now tonight. I'll actually probably post 2 more tonight, like right after this video, because I haven't posted in a month. I'm very sorry. So yeah, guys, see you in the next vid. Bye!